Mosaic Factor. So our focus is on B2B. We develop AI, but for at the moment we focus on automotive, manufacturing, and health. It seems like very different sector. What do they have in common? Is typically they are critical sector where if something goes wrong, there's a problem of safety, there is a problem of money, there is a problem of privacy. So what we focus on is two things. We develop AI that need to be optimized for the environment where they run. So often we have an AI running in the cloud and an AI running, for instance, in the vehicle, and where we run is very limited in terms of resources of energy usage. And we focus on the explainability and trustworthiness. So we don't want just the AI to work. We want the AI when it was in the cloud, it worked very well. When we squeeze it in something, microchip, does it still work as well, and how we optimize? And when we are debugging the AI, how we really understand what are the problems, how can we optimize it if we don't understand fully how a reason, since we didn't program it as usual. So we work at two levels. It can be the AI that we make. It can be the AI that somebody make. So for instance, in health, we work with entities that are very specialized in solving a specific problem with image processing, but they don't focus on explainability, and we complement